Hey there. So as we have integrated, external LED with the internal LED of this ESP32 module. So today, we are integrating the buzzer with this ESP32 module's internal LED. So buzzer is turning on for 2 seconds when the internal LED will be turning off for 2 seconds, and the buzzer will turn off for 2 seconds, and the LED will be turning on for 2 seconds. So I'll just remove this buzzer. Yeah. So as we can see that positive side of the buzzer is connected to the D4 pin of the ESP32 module. So it is similar to integrating the external LED. So why we are using D4 is because D2 is connected to the internal LED of this ESP32 module, and if we connect the buzzer to D2, then we cannot integrate these two modules. So when I connect it back, we can see that the buzzer is turning on for 2 seconds, and this light will be off for 2 seconds, and the red light here indicates that ESP32 is working properly. So now as we have seen the connections, we will see the circuit diagram and code for this simple project. So let us see the circuit diagram and the code. Yeah, so as we have seen the circuit diagram, now let us see the code for this ESP32 module. So the code is similar to integrating LED, just we are changing the names. That is, we are inserting buzzer here, and also wherever there is in external LED, we are just replacing it with buzzer, and the code is something like this, like as I have told you that the pin number 2 is connected to the internal LED, and it is by default and we cannot change that. So if we are using pin number 2, then we can either use one external external component or that internal LED of our buzzer, that is blue LED. So now at pin number 2 there is a blue LED, and on pin number 4 there is buzzer, and both blue LED and buzzer are the outputs for us. And after that, whenever the blue LED is on, that is blue LED is high, the buzzer will be low, and this all will take place in 2 seconds of delay, that is 2000 milliseconds. And after that, whenever the blue LED is off, the buzzer will be high, that means the buzzer is on for 2 seconds. If we want it to work both together, like even the buzzer and LED on together, then we can just change this value as high here too. So now what happens is whenever the buzzer turns on, the blue LED too turns on. So I don't want it to work together, so I'm just changing the value as low and high. So that means when there is buzzer is on, the LED is off. So now let us select the communication port and the ESP module. So I'll just select it and I'll click on upload. And when we click on upload, the compiling or finding the error will be done automatically. Only if there is no error, the code will be dumped on the um, any module which we are using. So as we can see that there is no error, and the code is uploading, and now it is uploaded successfully. So now in some programs, the code might get stuck on connecting here. So at that point, what you have to do is you will clear this output from here, and you will upload it back. And how to know if this is uploaded successfully is you can just scroll down and you will see something like this, that is writing at 0 into 0 bytes and something like that. So it will start from 0%, And when we see this message that is 100%, and that means the our code is successfully done. So this all process was done just in 2.2 seconds. So now I will just connect the buzzer and let us see how it is working. So when I connect the buzzer, as you can see that you might be able to listen the sound. It is turned on for 2 seconds and turning off for 2 seconds. So that is how the integration of buzzer with the internal LED of the ESP32 works. So that's it for now. See you in the next video, Robot Builders.